Hello, it's Friday. It's time for a bit of jollity. Here's a song from the Bees. Try and I fail. Sometimes I even succeed. If you look at my life, can't complain if you know what I mean. And it is all the same. If you're holding out, you can wash in the rain, wash in the rain, wash in the rain, wash in the rain, wash in the rain. Wash in the rain, wash in the rain. I got salt, you got pepper. Maybe we can get it together. I dig a hole, you fill it up. You're the second thing to knock me over, only to the waves at the edge of the water, washing the waves, 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 washing the I find it hard to forget all the effort and regret. Put it in one pot that's big enough, bound to crack when it hits the rock. It's 'cause you're wicked and you wouldn't stop. It's 'cause you're wicked and you wouldn't stop. You wouldn't stop. Stop! Hey.